A warm welcome on the Koehler booth on the Fachpack 2024. The expression of our booth is circularity. Circularity in paper packaging, and it's reflected by the products behind me. Paper with heat sealable, paper with heat sealable and mineral barrier, and paper with heat sealable, a fat barrier and a mineral oil barrier. We call that last paper mentioned, we call that chocolate paper. And I'm very excited today to show you another new development. Next Plus Seal WVP. The paper provides a water vapor barrier of about 35 on tropical conditions. And it is just perfect for packaging washing tabs. It's another step forward into development of paper for packaging and in a new generation.